Boost Auto Parts sent me some LED step bars that are direct fit for GMT800, but they're also kind of modular build that gives you some install freedom. I'm not going to give you a step-by-step how-to because they already have a good install video and it's really easy, but I'm going to show you some nice changes I made on my install. Okay, I got a new project coming. Boost Auto sent me some running boards, which are good because my end fabs are getting rusty. And these are crew cabs, and I'm going to try and make them fit. The thought is I'll have running board to the bed even too. They also tell me it will not fit a Suburban, but I'm going to test that theory because it's kind of my thing to make things fit when they're not supposed to. Okay, I got these. They're going to be amber, sequential signal, and running light, and then a startup sequence with white rock lights. Okay, so we got the boards themselves and the wiring in here. And then it looks like this is all the brackets and whatnot. Okay, so back on this project now in the garage. I got sidetracked drag racing, breaking the car, fixing the car, drag racing again. Then we got dumped on with snow. So here I am with like no room to work. But I got my brackets on. That is a piece of cake deal. Super easy. I'm actually modifying these now. So these have a Boost Auto logo on them. And rather than having the logo right here, I'm switching them up so the logo is going to be right here. And in order for the sequential part to still flash the correct way, what you got to do is take out 2 screws on this end cap. Then you can pull out the LEDs and switch them to the other one over here. Swap them back and forth. That way this extrusion is the only thing that changes, and that'll put the thing in the back. I like this modular setup so that you can swap all this stuff around if you want. Now, this one's labeled left hand. This one's labeled right hand. So I'm going to swap the controllers as well as the LED strips. So just unplug this plug and unscrew these 10 millimeters. Unscrew these 2 screws. And this slides right off. And this just pulls directly out. So then here we go. I got this other side pulled off because I need room for the wiring to come through. One of the things I like about the design of these boards is that they're so modular. You know, like we already switched these from side to side. And since this has T-slot for the bolts, you can change where it sits. And like mine, I want to run back here a ways so I have a step into the bed. So here's the difference in the crew cab and extended cab brackets, which is why if you do it the way that I'm doing it here, you're going to need the crew cab boards with the extended cab brackets. Oops, clutch foot slipped. You think these are pretty sweet?
Yeah.
Think we should try them on the Burb too?
Yeah.
Yeah, Bourbon. What about you, buddy? You like them? I think he's excited. Oh, you got me. You got it right on the window. Ha! I'll put you right in the stall. I was worried that the side step overhang would be flimsy. I plan to design a fourth bracket and have my buddy laser it, but it feels good and I really don't need to. Even with a little hop into the bed, it feels super solid. It's nice to have that extra point of entry. If you want to do the same thing, be sure to let Boost Auto know that you want extended cab brackets with crew cab steps. Use the link in the description to show them you saw my video, and maybe I'll get some free mirrors out of them. Okay, now it's basically pitch black out, and you can see at night you get a lot of light from these things. Should turn on the rock lights, see how much it is.